In this video, I'm going to show you what exactly I did in order for me to get video back. When I first installed OBS, I was just getting a black screen and I couldn't get no video. So all the information I found online, it wouldn't help me because it was for the old versions of OBS. This is what I did here in Windows 10 for the latest OBS, which is OBS 25.08. So this is exactly what I did. I went to the desktop. I right click on the empty space on the desktop. You click on display settings. From here in the display, you scroll down and then click on graphics settings. From here, click on browse, and you're going to choose the OBS wherever you have it. Mine is in program files, OBS Studio bin 64-bit, and then I chose OBS 64, and then you click add. I already added it. So after you add it, you're right here. So click on this one, click on the options, and make sure you have the power saving option right here, and click save. After that, you're going to have to go back to the OBS, turn it off, and restart it, and you should get audio. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe.